Hello everybody, I hope all of you are having a good day. Hope this video is of some use to someone. If you know someone, let them know about the information. Supplies needed. If you take a pair of these, as you can see, they're socks. Done with bra cups and bandanas. The bandana one is fairly easy. It's just a bandana and some of these and some of these that you can purchase from the Dollar Tree. Some of these, okay, and either paper towels or these right here. Hot glue gun where you have nowhere to plug it in. There's glues out there at the Dollar Tree, including that are glues for fabric, okay? And if you take one of these, they have these at the Dollar Tree and they resemble the paper towels a lot. With the paper towels you can do it, but this is not washable. This you can put in there and it'll serve as a filter for the time being. You would have to continue to change these up, okay? With this, however, if you get yourself a pair of scissors and you cut this smaller, okay, you can double it up. This is very easy to do. All you have to do is take your reusable wipes, and these are fairly good. These, I'm not saying that this is your best solution. If you can buy the mask, please do so. But if you don't have the resources and you need to be in the street, this would be a good solution. I myself would wear this because I am a germophobic and I feel like one side, it being open only on one side, is better than cutting the sock on both sides so that it could have the ear wraparounds. So that's why I'm doing it like this. You can also go into a restaurant where you go to use their bathroom and you can wash these up. If you are out there in the street and you don't have a home, a permanent home, I hope that you are staying safe. I put up prayers for each and every one of you out there, and you have every right to also protect yourself. I hope that this video helps somebody out, and if you see this video and you know people that don't have a way of seeing this video, let them know about the video, let them know about the mask, because you have every right to be safe also. And this right here, I made little ones. If this is like for a mom or a dad or someone that has a baby and the masks are not little, you can make this. But please always keep in mind that babies do not know how to say that a mask is obstructing their breathing. This is more like for a child that needs to go out to an appointment. And I only had these little socks here. If the child is a little bit bigger, make sure that the mask fits them not tight, because that will be obstructing their breathing. So please keep all of that in mind. Even yourself, make sure that the mask is on your face to prevent someone from sneezing or coughing on you, or you on them. But make sure that when you wear these, if you're a man, Make sure that the socks are a little bit bigger than what you would normally wear on your feet. You want this to be comfortable on your face while protecting you. And the same goes for a child. Parents, please keep in mind, I am one of those people that feels like certain fabrics or certain things make me feel like I am going to have an attack, a panic attack. Your child may be too small to express these feelings to you. So while they can express these feelings to you, just keep all of this in mind. The thinner hair ties are best for doing this for the adults and the children because they feel more comfortable around the ears, and you want to use them because they're going to wrap cuddly around the ear or snugly around the ear, and it's not going to be so heavy that they'll come off. Once this is all over with, we can go back to normal, and the socks can still be used like you would any other day. Just remove the hair ties and the safety pins and you have socks. Remember to stay safe, and if you know someone that doesn't have a roof over their heads and may use this information because they don't have a phone, please bring it to their attention. And I hope that all of you are making the best of the situation as I am trying. It's hard, it's not easy, but with the Almighty, anything and everything is possible. I hope that this teaches us all how to take better care of our planet and each other. And anyway, so I made this other video of this glam mask. If any of you may be interested, I uploaded it, but my phone deleted all the footage. With that being said, if you're interested, let me know in the comment area down below. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video, and I hope to see you all soon.